If you are running any kind of Google Ads, then chances are at some point you're going to want to change the bid strategy for one, if not all of your campaign. And the problem is that Google kind of don't really make it that easy and obvious for you. So you have to know where to look. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, and you're going to see just how easy it is to do. Make sure you stay through to the end of the video, because I also show you a link that you have to click on, which is not obvious, that will give you all the available bidding options to you. You may have also noticed when you create a new campaign, Google forces you to do these automated bidding strategies, which you may not necessarily want to do straight out of the gates, and often not what we advise people to do. So this is particularly relevant if you fall into that case, because I can show you how to select manual CPC bidding, because it's quite buried and hidden. So let's go do this. Here we are in my live Google Ad account, and it's important to know that your bidding is set at a campaign level. So to change your bid strategy, you need to go into your campaign settings for whichever campaign you want to apply this to. So if we go to a specific campaign here, if I just hover over this here, this brings up the settings icon, and I can just click on this for edit settings. If I scroll down here, you can see that the bid strategy this has currently got is maximize conversion. So I can just click on this. And obviously I'm going to click on change bid strategy. If I scroll down here, now if I just choose this drop down menu, these are only the automated bidding strategies. But what if I want more available options of different bidding to choose from? So then you need to select this, which is to select a bid strategy directly, even though this is not recommended by Google. That's okay. I'm going to click on this, and then if I click here, here are all the available bidding options that I can do for this campaign. So manual CPC bidding is actually still here, as well as maximize clicks, maximize conversions, conversion value, and target impression share. So obviously you just go here and choose whichever bidding option that you want to change to. So if we want to do manual CPC bidding, and then we click save. Once we click save, that's been applied to our campaign, and then from then on, that is your now new bidding strategy. If you're unsure and a little bit confused about which bidding strategy is the right one for your campaign to actually generate profitable results, make sure you watch this next video of mine where I go through my 4S bidding system for how to get campaigns profitable. I'll put a link here. Make sure you check out that video, because it walks you through my entire process from start to finish. See you in the next video.